most multilingual websites translate the text, but forget something equally important: the images. And sometimes using the same visuals for every language just doesn't work. Maybe the image has text, or maybe you just want your website to feel more localized for each audience. The good news is that you can easily display different images for different languages in just a few clicks. Localizing your website goes beyond the text. Different audiences often respond better to visuals that represent their language, culture, or region. I'm Carmen, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to implement different images for different languages in just a few clicks. Let's see why you should do that. First, you will be able to replace images containing text. Secondly, you can create localized marketing banners. Third, you can adapt your visuals for different countries, which will ultimately improve your multilingual user experience. Before we start, the tool we'll be using today is TranslatePress, a visual translation plugin for WordPress that lets you translate your website directly from the front end, including images, menus, forms, and pretty much everything else on the page. To use different images per language, you'll first need to have at least one additional language added to your website. So let me quickly show you how to set that up. First of all, make sure you already have the plugin installed and activated. Next, go to Settings, TranslatePress, General. Here, your default language is your main website language, and under All Languages, you can add the additional language that you want to translate your site into. For example, I'll add Spanish. Then simply save your settings. And that's it. Your multilingual setup is now ready. Now let's see how this actually works. Open any page on your website and click Translate Page from the admin bar. This will open the visual translation editor. On the right side, you have a live preview of your website, and on the left side, you'll see the translation sidebar, where TranslatePress automatically displays the editable fields for whatever element you select. First, let's go to the dedicated page of the image you want to translate. In my case, the shop. Now hover over the image you want to replace and click the pencil icon. In my case, I have this picture frame displayed on my e-commerce store that I want to localize for another language. Once selected, you'll see the image field appear in the sidebar. From here, you can replace the image itself and also translate the image alt text for multilingual SEO. I also have a dedicated tutorial on translating image alt text if you want to learn more about the SEO side of things. To upload a different image for this language, simply click the image field and choose the localized version from your media library. Then save your translation. And now, when switching languages, the image updates automatically depending on the selected language. Here are a few practical ways you can use this feature. Maybe you have some marketing banners that need to adapt to country-specific wordings or promotions, or different product visuals by region, localized screenshots, or UI examples to better accommodate your audience. And there's also an SEO and accessibility benefit here. If your images contain important contextual information, showing localized visuals can improve clarity and engagement for users in each language. And when combined with translated image alt text and metadata, this helps create a much stronger multilingual SEO setup overall. A quick recommendation here: you don't need to replace every image on your website. In most cases, the same visual works perfectly fine across all languages, so use it only strategically where it adds value. And that's it. You now know how to display different images for each language on your WordPress website. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in how localized and professional your multilingual website feels. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for even more multilingual WordPress tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy this video? Make sure to check out my other tutorials on the channel to take things a step further.